Stop wasting time on other laptops. The MacBook 2024 is here and it's a game changer. So, what's the hype about the MacBook 2024? First off, that sleek design. It's lighter and thinner than ever. Perfect for carrying around campus or chilling at a cafe. But it's not just a pretty face. The new M3 chip? Lightning fast. Multitasking, gaming, streaming, it handles everything like a pro. Battery life? Insane. You're looking at a full day of power without scrambling for a charger. And the screen? Crystal clear retina display with vibrant colors. Your eyes will thank you. Plus, it's packed with features like Touch ID and enhanced speakers. Safe, secure, and sounds amazing. So, is the MacBook 2024 worth it? Absolutely. It's a solid investment for students who want style and performance. See you in the next video. Yeah.